I'm incapable of doing this myself.
Yeah, it's no Woods bike check right here.
This is a bank.
This is bike, guys. He's going to show some mean ass handlebars. He's got a chromey fox right there, red spokes.
Chromy rim.
He got chromey rim. He got forever frame from BSG.
V2.
He rocking the Primo. What it?
Power bags.
Primo power bad right there. What chain ring's that, man?
That's a bicycle union.
That's by Union, and it's a tank chain.
No, it's not.
It's a fucking huge chain anyway. He's rocking the female profiles.
Front and rear.
Front and rear.
Federer seat.
You got Federer sheet, animal sheet coat, sheet post. You got some fruit boots.
What about that stand?
That's it. I like that stand. Where'd you get that from?
Gay bikes.
Where? Where'd you get it from?
Bay bikes.
Where'd you get it from? One more time. Let people know it's stolen.
Bay bikes.
Yeah, that's like priceless advertising right there. I'm gonna see him stacking on these rollerblades, man.